And the focus of that week, the theme of that week is that pedestrians and cyclists need clear ways to walk and in safety. So we decided from the South Goa District Road Safety Committee to do some activity for this week, because the Global Safety Week is from 12th to the 18th. So today we are clearing the pavements here in Margao. Tomorrow we'll be doing a session in Panjim with the traffic warden. On Wednesday we'll be going to Vasco. On Thursday we'll be back in Margao doing bus stop implementation. And on Friday we'll be going to Ponda. Saturday or Sunday we'll be doing a cycle rally. So make sure that cyclists also are safe.
So the main issues on the Road Safety Week are safety of pedestrians and zebra crossings and cyclist safety. So we are checking all vehicles owners who are parking on the pavements, and we are issuing them checking reports.
So you will be doing this simultaneously, or this first time?
No, this is continuous. In fact, it's been delayed for a long period of time. We were busy with many other issues, but finally we decided, since the Global Safety Week has come, we decided to enforce it rigorously during this week, and we will continue following it throughout the year.
पणजेंत इश्यू आमकां सदांच पळोवपाक मेळटा बट आयज एक दीस अशे ऑफिसर दिसता बट परत खरेंच दिश्टी पडना आमकां सो लोकांक त्रास खूब जाता मार्केट एरियेत बी जाल्यार
No, we are always out. Inspectors always out. In fact, recently we removed an order saying that taxis cannot park in the city, and we have been implementing it. We have issued how many? We must have issued, I don't know, hundreds of challans for unauthorized taxi parking.
So drive with CCP is there?
Yes, the drive is with CCP, municipality, all departments, traffic police, the district police, all are involved.
2023, Goacan had brought to the notice of CCP that AC water is being released. You can see here now. AC water is being released on the streets. So ते public notice काढले. आता परत आम्ही CCPक सांगले जे कोण AC उडीक सोडटा लोकांचेर तकलेचेर AC पडटा आनी स्लीप जावन लोक पडलेले आहा. सो तो विषय आज आमी परत फोकस करतले. As far as violation of the conditions of CCP that you cannot release AC water on the footpath. पायप घालून सोडल्या वयरसून सोडटा लोकांच्या माथ्यार बसतले आनी चिखल जाता आनी स्लीप जावन पडटा. तोय विशय आज आमी हायलायट करतले.